In a world far from ours, where time and space converge at a mysterious point, there was a young man named Andrew who sought to understand the meaning of life. He had spent years in doubt and questioning, especially concerning the eternal question, who is God and who created God? Andrew began his journey in an ancient library, where he read religious and philosophical texts from all religions. But he felt that the answers he found were not enough. Then one day, he entered a small room inside the library, where there was an old book with a strange title, The Answer No One Knows. When he opened the book, he felt a strange sensation as if time itself had stopped around him. Suddenly, he found himself in a dark place, surrounded by a low voice echoing through the void, saying, "You are now at the threshold of the truth. Are you ready to know the answer?" Andrew hesitated and replied, "I want to know, who created God?" The voice responded in an eerie way, "God is not a creation. God is the eternal being, who has always been and will always be." But this question is a human question because you think of God through the limitations of time and space. The voice continued, "God is not bound by time. He is existence itself. He is the beginning and the end, and He is the one who created all things." Then, a distorted image appeared before him, as if it were a mix of light and shadows. And through this image, scenes of the creation of the universe began to unfold. From the light that shattered the void to the formation of the earth and planets, then the birth of life. The further time progressed, the more Andrew felt that God was not a person as humans perceive him, but the force that moves everything in the universe, the mind that transcends time and space. Before Andrew returned to the world he knew, the voice whispered in his ear, "The question is not who created God, but how can we understand God, who is greater than all answers?" Andrew woke up from his strange dream, feeling a sense of inner peace, even though the question remained unanswered. But he realized that some questions are not meant to have specific answers, but rather are an invitation to search for understanding and to connect with what is beyond human comprehension.